Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. And in today's video, like we have on our scheme of work, we're going to be talking about HTML comments, as you can see on our screen. So first of all, what are HTML comments? Comments are tags used to insert comments in HTML source code. What do I mean by this? Comments basically makes your code a very readable code, so that when someone else from outside or someone that you show your code will be able to understand what you are doing with the code. For instance, now as you can see here, um as you can see it here, notice there's an exclamation point in the opening tag but not in the closing tag. So this is an example of a comment tag. So this is an example of a comment tag. You have your normal angle bracket, then your exclamation mark, then two hyphens, four hyphens in the middle, then your closing angle bracket here. So this is basically an angle bracket, and as you can see here, it says notice that there's an exclamation point in the opening tag but not in the closing tag. So don't make the mistake of putting exclamation mark in the opening and also here. It will not work. You see a red, which means error. And also with comments, you can place notification and reminders in your HTML. What do I mean by this? For instance, you are building a website now, and then let's say in your home page, let's say this is my home page now of my website, and then I just added this little HTML comment tag used to insert comment and blah blah blah. Let's say we just insert this little thing. We can just come here under this, and we know that later after we finish building, then we'll get some more content. You can just come here, our comment tag, and then our push exclamation mark, two hyphens, and we'll just say add more content later. That's an example. And note, anything inside your comment tag is not going to be displayed on your browser. As you can see here now, add more comments later, it is here in my code but it is not in my browser. That's one thing about comments. It's actually what it makes, what the basic thing it does is that it makes your code readable for other people that don't know what you are doing. For instance, now like I said, anything inside your comment tag is not going to be displayed on your browser. So for instance, now I have HTML comments here in H1. This is it. So when I select it and I put it in an HTML comment, let's say, and then close my comment tag, you see that you will not find that HTML comment here again. Why? But that HTML comment, why? Because it's already in a comment tag. And also the same thing applies to all this. If I add a comment tag here, double hyphen, and then I come down here to close it, every single thing, that means I've hidden every single thing that is here, so they are not going to display on your browser. That was what I meant by HTML comments don't display on the browser. And this kind of thing can be used, for instance, when you're testing out some codes, like, okay, I have, let's say, my nav, now let me say dot some of li, then a dot nav, okay, then let's say I now add address. As you can see, it made our website rough, made this nav bar that was looking very beautiful before. So what you can easily do, if you still need it for later, is you can easily just comment it, then it will be nowhere to be found here. So that's basically what comment tag is, and I hope you understand this lesson. Like I usually say, if you have any questions or any comments, you can contact me or any other group admin. Thank you for your time. Happy coding.